I am Aqua WTI, and these are not chocolate, but you're gonna love them just as much. These are non-skid furniture pads. One reason why I love these is because they are non-skid furniture pads. So my husband's recliner is a pushback recliner. So every time he sits in it, it moves just a little bit. And it gets annoying getting even rubber walls, but now problem solved. No more annoying little marks on my wall, and it'll stay put. These are the CasterMaster's non-slip furniture pads in the size 2x2 square, and they come in a set of 4, and I got them in this color black, but they come in many different sizes and colors to match your furniture as well. Also, these protect your floors as well. No more scratches from your furniture. I like that it has that little lip too, that it does keep the furniture in place. It's not going to be coming off of these furniture pads at all. It has that grip too on the inside and on the back, so it's perfect. I especially liked it too for this bench. When you sit on a bench, they're notorious for moving, but not anymore. Worked on so many of my furniture, and I've been really pleased. I think this is a really great product as it protects my floors and also prevents my furniture from moving, so highly recommend. And that's my point of view.